If you need to recover your Thrive Market account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Visit the Thrive Market login page. Go to the official Thrive Market website and locate the login section. Click on the Forgot Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Thrive Market account. Ensure that you use the correct email to receive further instructions for recovery. Step 3. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Reset your password. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Log into your account. After successfully resetting your password, return to the login page and enter your email and new password. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Thrive Market's customer support for further assistance.